Hello everyone and welcome to the NINJAof1 YouTube channel. My name is Chris and I'll be debuting this channel with the 22 ZX10R non-ABS transformation modifications video series. The series includes high quality detailed video footage of the ZX10R being transformed in the areas of performance and cosmetic modifications. The video will cover a brief walk around of the ZX10R purchased from Kawasaki of Rome in Rome, Georgia, and a before mod ride and detailed wash of the bike in preparation for these mods. Each step of the way will include videos of the disassembly and assembly of all the fairings from tail to nose, along with the disassembly and assembly of all other bike related areas in preparation for these mods. The mods in this series include replacing the stock muffler and catalytic converter with the SC Project muffler and midpipe, removing the exhaust butterfly valve motor, cables, and wiring, replacing the stock battery with a lithium battery, plugging the air box with the PSR plug, and replacing the stock air filter with the BMC Race air filter, then removing the throttle body breather tubes and blocking them off with Pittsburgh caps. We'll also remove the pair valve, hoses, and solenoid and replacing it with the PSR block-off plates, removing the emission canister, brackets, hoses, and solenoid, removing the air intake flapper valve, actuator, chamber, hoses, and solenoid, then installing the OEM plug from Kawasaki. Removing the ECU and having it flashed by Moore Mafia, then we'll test, start, and clear error codes with the diagnostic scanner purchased from Moore Mafia. And then for the cosmetic modifications, we'll be removing the fender tail and replacing it with the Yoshimura Fender Eliminator, removing the passenger seat and installing an OEM passenger seat pillion cowl from Kawasaki, removing the passenger foot peg mounting brackets, then dressing up the bolt holes with inexpensive solution, removing the oil cooler guard and installing the Evotech Performance radiator and oil cooler guards, reassembling all the fairings, and then finally we'll do an after mod test ride. I appreciate you taking the time to visit the NINJAof1 YouTube channel and hope you stay with us on this journey of transforming the 22 ZX10R from a stock restricted motorcycle to an unleashed beast of performance. I should have the next video out in the next few days, so be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell for the next video. I'll see you later.